Hello YouTube. This video is going to be a sound check on this rear motor on this Bigniu BG-X, brand new bike. I think I got 2 miles on it. 1.9. And I'm using my phone. And the volume's up full blast on the phone. So I'm going to turn it on here and we're going to get what it sounds like through my phone, standing next to the bike, which would be the same as if you're riding it. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can do this. And here's up closer. Here's back a ways from it. Speedometer's reading 40. It's loud. But okay, I'll give you a sound with me just spinning the tire. Can you hear that? Yeah. Anyway, it is pretty loud. It's louder than my 750 over here. This Tamo Bike H9. 750 watt rear motor. It makes a sound about half of what that does. And this is 1500. So just for comparison, I'm going to do it again. Here we go. And of course, this is free spinning. But I'm pretty sure it's about the same. Okay. Almost sounds like something's rubbing in there. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll check with you later.